Welcome to Code Evely channel. Let's start to print Hello World. Welcome to learning how to print Hello World in PHP. Let's start by setting up our environment. Make sure you're familiar with using tools like Visual Studio Code and XAMPP. First, open Visual Studio Code. Launch Visual Studio Code or VS Code on your system. Navigate to your project folder. Open the folder where you want to create your PHP file. You can do this by using the File menu or by navigating through your File Explorer. Inside your chosen folder, create a new file named index.php. We'll use a basic HTML structure with PHP embedded in it. Here's a simple way to set up the structure using PHP's echo function. Make sure you enclose the string "Hello World" in quotes within the echo statement. Then save the file. That's it. You've successfully created a PHP script to print "Hello World." Thank you for watching.